good. Should I hit record on this too? Yeah. All right.
Would we need silverware?
That's probably going to be helpful. Yeah. These guys like shovels. I don't understand it.
We're at the biggest shovel. That work? Welcome back to the Vegan Proteins YouTube channel. Today we are going to be ranking high protein vegan pastas. And we have a real treat for you. We have the whole team over here, so we will be the judge and we'll be ranking these in order of preference. We got some old school OG brands like Barilla, a little new school like Brahmi. I'm Italian, I don't know how I couldn't say that. And then we got some newer ones like Exploration and Banza. And then this, what is that, 𝐸's brand? So this is gonna be really exciting. I've honestly not tried several of these. I don't know about all of y'all. And you've tried
A couple of them are new to me.
I mean, I just tasted all of them because I was cooking them.
I'm a pretty big protein pasta fan, so.
Yeah. Okay, crazy. So the purebred Italian over here has only tried one of these. Wonderful. Anyways, if you are a vegan and you're interested in fitness, you should definitely subscribe to our channel because we're gonna do lots more videos like this for you and you can get the inside scoop on what's good, what sucks, and some other interesting things.
Nailed it. Does it matter what order we do these in? Do you have a preference, Mr. 𝐸𝐫𝐬𝐫𝐫?
Do I have a preference?
I need to try the red lentils together.
Okay, red lentil was just the store brand and the Explore. Let's try the Explore.
Oh boy.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah. So this is
No, all the way at the
Explore
end.
red lentil. Okay, got it.
So it's penny.
Some fresh homemade sauce going on here.
Needs
Okay.
more sauce.
Okay.
Use
Yeah.
more sauce.
Why are you getting stingy on the sauce, Danny?
I used like more than half the jar.
Use all of it. Okay. All right. I definitely didn't taste like classic semolina pasta, but it's good.
Yeah.
Not as red as other red lentil pastas. It looks like more normal.
Yeah, the texture is a little bit like stickier, I would say. But the taste isn't bad.
It's a little earthy.
Yeah.
I don't mind it though.
I like it.
So we used to sell, back when we were a supplement store, we sold the Explore Asian black bean pasta, which is actually just black soybean pasta. It tasted nothing like pasta, but I really, really liked it. Like it had a bite to it. The macros were absolutely insane on it. What's the macros on this?
For a 2-ounce serving, it is 12 grams of protein, 35 carbs, 1 gram of fat. So 190 calories, 12 grams of protein.
Fiber?
Fiber is 3.
Low
3.
fiber.
Huh. I would have expected the fiber to be higher on that. All right. Well, we can't really rank this because it's the first one.
Yeah, but I really like this.
I use that pasta regularly. I'm either using Explorer or I'm using this one. And I'm a protein pasta fiend.
Yeah. Yeah, like if you compare this, I don't know if you guys have ever had like the Trader Joe's red lentil pasta. I think the flavor of this one is so much better.
Yeah, the Trader Joe's one comes apart. Everyone's like, oh, what about the Trader Joe's? I'm like, don't do it.
I just
So-
don't love the flavor of that one.
It does annoy me, and a lot of pasta companies do this, so it's not just this one. That
yeah.
it says 22 grams of protein on the front, but it's for 1.5 servings.
Yep.
Or like 1 3/4
It's
of
the
a
old
serving.
Lenny and Larry's trick where they say 16 grams of protein and then you're like, oh, 220 calories. But then you peel back and I swear to God, like the back label will like hide the calories of the whole cookie. You have to peel it out. You're like, oh, you sneaky.
Ingredients on this are just organic red lentil flour and organic brown rice flour.
Okay.
That's actually a much shorter list than I was expecting.
Which is really a miracle that they're able to get this like good of a texture with just those two.
I really
right.
like it.
Get seconds, Ben.
Organic red lentil flour. Yeah, this is
That's all that's in
that's
it?
the only ingredient.
Oh wow, so this
So-
one's got an even shorter ingredient list.
Yeah, and it's
Okay.
great macros, but I tend to think with that just that only ingredient, it's doesn't taste as good in my opinion. But
Okay.
We shall see.
This is, oh boy.
Dente. Texture's not bad, or it's not coming apart terribly. That's what I mean.
But this definitely has more of a classic pasta feel to it.
The other one?
This
Really?
one? Absolutely.
I like this
Compare
one
that.
better.
It's not a matter of like, just a matter of like what to expect if you're a pasta lover. and
Well, I
you
mean,
want-
we're ranking them, so it's kind of a matter
Well, this
of
one's
like,
a little tougher. I think the flavor's still actually really good,
I
which
like it.
better than I was expecting.
Yeah.
To be honest.
Still better than Trader Joe's.
Yeah. Trader Joe's does a lot of things right, but
You're right,
the
Alex.
red lentil pasta is not one of them.
yeah, for one ingredient.
You
I'm
need a
actually
better
really
lentil
surprised.
guy.
So now we start ranking them.
Yeah,
Okay.
which do you
Which
guys
one do we
prefer?
like
I like the Explorer a little bit better, but
All right,
But
I'm out
it's
on
like-
that one. I didn't like the Explorer
it's
very much.
close. It's close.
What are the
for me.
macros on it?
14 grams of protein, 38 carbs, 1 gram of fat, 210 calories.
To me, without the brown rice in there, it tastes a little drier and pastier to me.
Yeah.
Agreed.
I think if you're a fan of al dente pasta, then you would like that better.
I don't think anybody who tried both of these back to back would be like, oh, there's a clear,
No one would be like,
one
"Bleh."
head and shoulders over the other. You know what I mean?
I tasted a pretty big difference between them personally, but
Really?
but you guys, I'm outnumbered, so you guys can rank the Explorer higher. All right, we got to start
so.
putting them in an actual order. 1, 2.
What next?
Try the Brahmi.
Let's try that. I haven't tried that ever.
I've never tried ramen.
I'm already a bigger fan of the shape, because I like the curly Q's. I don't know, Giacomo, is it? What is this shape called?
Cavatappi?
Yeah, he
Because you heard me say.
yes, that's right. So, Brahmi, is it made out of lupini beans?
And durum wheat flour, so it's like a combination.
See, my gripe with the protein pastas is why can't they make them higher in protein? When they're
Probably
using
could.
Some are higher in protein, but they don't taste as good.
This is really good. The macros on this one?
So per 2 ounces, 200 calories, 2 fat, 36 carb, of which 5 are fiber, and 12 protein.
I'm shocked that I'm saying this, but I actually think I prefer the red lentil to the
Really?
What?
I like this
I don't
one
know
better.
why. Maybe it's just, I don't know.
Yeah, I like this one better.
Usually I would say this one.
It's interesting because it's right in the middle of these 2 calorie amounts. And you said how much protein?
12.
And it's like exactly as much as.
similar.
I
This
think
one?
these are very similar.
I like this a lot better than the Explorer.
I do too.
Both are really, really good.
All right, it could be knocked out though. It could be knocked out by one of these.
Oh boy.
Pasta.
Yeah. I didn't know they reformulated though. That's pretty interesting. I don't know when that happened.
Yeah, I can already tell you I'm upset about it. I haven't even tried it.
What's upsetting you about the reformulating, Danny?
That now it's just got like pea protein in it, like everything else. Like it's.
Ah, okay. All right. Chickpea pasta, here we go.
Oh, that's definitely definitely Banza.
lentil, pea.
Oh yeah, it is.
You can tell by the way it comes apart.
I don't like that at all.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's not
It
terrible.
just comes apart. It just comes apart.
Something to note about this one is that it has pea starch, tapioca, and xanthan gum. So it tastes gummier. That's how they get it to stay together with the chickpeas, is they do all that. So like, I feel like it tastes stickier and gummier in my mouth, which I don't love.
Yeah.
Me neither.
The macros are very similar though. It's 190 calories, 11 grams of protein, 34 carbs, 3 grams of fat. So it's
7 grams of fiber, a little bit more fiber than the
Oh,
others
yeah,
because
sure.
of the stuff that they add, like the tapioca and the pea starch.
Very easy to overcook this Banza. If you overcook it, then it just like, they won't even stay in the noodle shape if you
gonna-
overcook it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that. Anybody got an issue with that?
Ben's lunch.
Ben's got the Ben bowl. Whoa.
Oh,
Anytime. Make fun of anybody. Just immediate karma.
I
love a shooting
video
out.
somewhere on my phone where I'm doing a check-in with somebody, and I think I'm sitting on that chair, and I absolutely
wipe out?
fall.
Please tell me you saved it.
Oh yes, I did. I know Mark and Michael are gonna be like, send me that video so I can put it in here. Hey Beth, I hope you're doing well. Thank you for the. I just kind of did that to myself. Didn't I?
Yeah, you did.
So now we have to see if Barilla can take over.
I think it will.
Why are you excited about this one? I'm just curious.
Well, I haven't tried it, and I trust the name. And
Did you eat this pasta when you were a
Hoping it's gonna
kid?
be
Like
good.
this brand?
one of them, I believe. So.
What brand of pasta do legitimate Italians eat?
Oh gosh, my family's watching this video. They're gonna be like, "What's wrong with you?" Oh, I have. Wait! I have the answer for this one. Homemade.
They are not. Your family is not making homemade
Of
pasta.
course, yeah. You roll it out. You make the dough. You lay it out. You
Yeah, maybe your
shape it.
your great grandmother once or
we
twice a
make
year.
pasta together. Yeah,
this is a little al dente.
I trust the guy.
homemade pasta all the way.
That's cool.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Just tastes like regular pasta.
Flavor is just unmatched.
Yeah.
109 calories. 190 calories like everything else.
Tastes denser than regular pasta. I'll tell you that.
Yeah. 10 grams of protein, 38 carbs, 1 gram of fat. So it's a little tiny bit lower protein, but I feel like it's worth it for the flavor trade-off.
Extra solid.
Consistency.
Cost also.
Cost, yeah.
It can get a little softer if you cook it longer.
Yeah, so I mean, that my vote is like,
I think so. Yeah.
you know,
I was not expecting this guy.
Yeah, Brahmi really
Come in and do
surprised
that.
me. Barilla is hard to dethrone. Am I saying that right? Barilla? Barilla.
Is that it? I don't know. Do you say the double L's like you're Spanish? How do you do it?
Barilla.
I mean, that's why you're here. We need to have the
Well,
authenticity.
what kind of sauce is this?
This is your homemade, your
Family's
family sauce.
Marinara.
No.
Marinar.
Marinade. Try it.
What?
Marinade.
Marinan?
Close.
They don't say in Brooklyn. They don't say anything the way you would expect.
How do you say the word Mozzarella?
You're not gonna get it.
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella?
Mozzarella.
It's not even. It's like mozzarella. The way the mozzarella. Mozzarella.
Mozzarella. There you go.
Those are really good. There was not a single one of those that I didn't enjoy. I guess the Banza, like the texture I wasn't a huge fan of, but overall, it was really good.
I mean, if you were at the store and all you had was like one of these, like I'd still get it.
Oh,
Yeah.
totally,
You know?
100%.
Not like any of them were bad.
No.
So after
This
this
one's
video,
really good.
if I wanted to buy pasta, I would happily buy this one and that one personally, and I might have that one in rotation.
Oh, okay.
I'd say these two. But also only the bottom 3 ones are gluten-free, which tracks in my
right.
opinion.
Right.
So.
If you're gluten-free, explore. I just think this is great
already
for
forgot.
women, guys. Like, I think a lot of women have a hard time getting the more traditional, like, vegan protein foods in. And if you are just really picky, like, this is a great option to help boost your protein. Obviously, there's a lot of carbs in these, so you might have to still use some protein foods, but hey, every little bit helps.
I'd also say if you're cooking for your family and you were to swap one of these out here, I don't think they'd even notice.
It'd be child approved,
No.
for sure.
Probably not.
Want to wrap it up, Giacomo? Come on, Giacomo. Come on, Giacomo. It's been almost 20 years. You got this. I have faith in you.
We're the world's first and only one-stop vegan supplement shop.
Nope.
That was our tagline. No, I don't have it. What do we do with this?
You're killing me.
Got this.
Give me the tagline. Give me the tagline. Feed me the words.
If you're vegan, you're looking to get in shape.
Thank you, man. Thank you,
I'm
man.
cueing you. I'm cueing you.
And if you're a vegan looking to get in the best shape of your life, that is exactly what we do here. We've coached thousands of vegans over the years. Go to VeganProteins.com and hit the contact button. We'll get back to you in 1 business day right away. And we can show you how to make all kinds of cool recipes and meal plans just like this that you are bound to enjoy by one of the 5 wonderful coaches here at Vegan Proteins. Also, be sure to hit that like button. Definitely subscribe so you can see more stuff like this from all of us. See ya, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Hi. You got it. You got it.
I did it!
That's really good, actually.
You get more pasta.